117 species in genus Podocarpus. All you need to know about Podocarpus, a plant enthusiast guide. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Podocarpus, a fascinating genus of conifers that have captured the hearts of plant lovers worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your botanical journey, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about these versatile plants. What is Podocarpus? Podocarpus, derived from the Greek words pos, meaning foot, and karpos, meaning fruit, is the largest and most widespread genus in the podocarp family, Podocarpaceae. These evergreen shrubs or trees can range in size from a compact 3 feet to a towering 130 feet, making them suitable for various landscaping needs. One of the most striking features of Podocarpus is their foliage. Unlike pines with their needle-like leaves, Podocarpus boasts beautiful, strap-shaped leaves that range from a vibrant green to a more subdued yellow-green. These leaves add a touch of elegance and texture to any space. Podocarpus species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Podocarpus versus Clusia. I find Podocarpus easier to shape into a neat hedge than Clusia, which tends to grow more freely. Podocarpus versus Japanese yew. Podocarpus offers a denser foliage compared to Japanese yew, making it my top pick for privacy. Podocarpus versus Viburnum. While Viburnum provides beautiful flowers, I prefer the year-round lushness of Podocarpus in my garden. Popular Podocarpus varieties. With over 100 species under its umbrella, Podocarpus offers a diverse range of choices for plant enthusiasts. Here are a few popular varieties. Maki Podocarpus, Podocarpus macrophyllus var. Maki. This versatile variety is a favorite for its dense, compact growth habit. It thrives in coastal areas and is known for its salt and drought tolerance. Southern yew, Podocarpus macrophyllus. This species can be grown as either a shrub or a small tree. It's prized for its glossy, green foliage and makes an excellent choice for screens or specimen plantings. Tatara, Podocarpus tatara. A native of New Zealand, tatara is known for its slow growth rate and eventual transformation into a majestic tree. Its dark, reddish-brown wood is prized for its durability. Fruticosus Podocarpus. Podocarpus fruticosus. This low-growing variety is ideal for borders or containers. Its smaller stature makes it perfect for compact spaces. Podocarpus versus yew. A tale of two conifers. Podocarpus is often mistaken for yew, Taxus, due to their similar evergreen foliage. However, there are some key differences between these two plants. Fruits. Podocarpus produces fleshy, berry-like fruits, although these are rarely seen on houseplants. Yew, on the other hand, produces a red, fleshy aril that surrounds a single seed. Toxicity. Yew is highly toxic to humans and animals if ingested, while Podocarpus is generally considered mildly toxic. Flowers. Neither Podocarpus nor yew produce true flowers. However, Podocarpus has inconspicuous cones, while yew has small, yellow flowers. How to care for Podocarpus. Podocarpus are relatively low-maintenance plants that are well-suited for beginner gardeners. Here are some key care tips. Light. Podocarpus prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water your Podocarpus regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. Podocarpus thrives in well-draining, slightly acidic soil. A good quality potting mix for houseplants is often sufficient. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Podocarpus with a balanced fertilizer once a month. Pruning. Podocarpus respond well to pruning, allowing you to maintain their desired shape and size. Podocarpus, beyond the basics. Here are some additional interesting facts about Podocarpus. Cultural significance. In some cultures, Podocarpus is considered a symbol of longevity and good fortune. Air purification. Studies suggest that Podocarpus may help improve indoor air quality by removing toxins. Wildlife. The fleshy fruits of Podocarpus are a food source for birds. With its attractive foliage, ease of care, and adaptability, Podocarpus is a fantastic addition to any home or garden. So, if you're looking for a versatile and rewarding plant, consider welcoming a Podocarpus into your green haven.